Today I'll be showing you guys how to do this insane reverse transition inside of After Effects. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Come be a part of the Sacred Takes team. I make tutorials every single week. You don't want to miss out. Also, before we get into the tutorial, make sure you hit the like button for me, guys. All it does is show YouTube that you're enjoying this type of content, so it'll push my videos out to other content creators as well, and it's free support. So please, guys, go ahead and hit the like button down below. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects. Now that we're inside After Effects, as you guys can see, I'm using the DDG Handling Business music video for this transition. For this transition to look clean, guys, it's important that you already have a sequenced out video. Make sure you don't use just a single exported clip to do this, or it won't look that clean. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean right now. Like I said, I got this music video off of YouTube, so the video is already sequenced out and it has cuts inside of it, so this transition will look clean. First effect I want to throw on top is called Time Warp. Go ahead, throw that on top. As you guys can see, Time Warp makes the music video start from the beginning. This is not the clip that we started off with. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring that speed to 100, and this was the point that we started off with in the beginning of the video. It's what we want. We're gonna go a few frames over. We're gonna keyframe that speed at 100. Let's press U on our keyboard so we can see our keyframes. Then we're gonna go towards the end of that clip and we're gonna bring that to minus 1500. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna reverse the clip for us, and it's gonna show all the remaining clips in the sequenced out video. So that's what I meant, guys, by having a video that's already sequenced out and has cuts, so this transition could work. As you guys can see, we have a reverse right there. For us to make that reverse more smooth, we're gonna highlight those keyframes, press F9 and easy ease them. Then we're gonna go into our graph editor. Make sure you guys copy this graph right here so you can have the smoothest animation for the reverse. So we're gonna do a graph just like this. As you guys can see at this point right here, it's a smooth reverse. And then towards the end, it speeds up. And that's exactly what we want. When we play it back, we have something like this. Super fire, guys. To add some more motion blur to it, we're gonna go to our effects and presets and search up CC Force Motion. Throw it on top. We're gonna change this motion blur sample to 16. Just like that. And now when we play it back, as you guys can see, when it speeds up, there's a lot more motion blur and it looks more clean. To add a little finishing touch to it, we're gonna add a little flash transition right here at the end. So let's go ahead and make our adjustment layer. Let's go to our effects and presets. We're gonna search up brightness and contrast. We're gonna go 5 frames to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keyframe the brightness at 0. Go back to the middle. Bring that brightness up to 150. Then we're gonna go 5 frames to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring that back down to 0. And now when we play it back on that part, you guys can see we have a little flash transition and it looks more smooth. Now when we play it back, we have a final transition looking just like this. Super fire. That was the end of this quick tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button so YouTube knows that you enjoyed it, and it helps me push out my videos to other editors as well. So please, guys, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button down below if you want to be a part of the Sacred Takes family. We dropping videos every single week. Like I said before, you don't want to miss out. Only sauce here. That being said, I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.